Nandun ka din ba sa part ng buhay mo na you're too young to rush things, but you're too old to be wasting time? But let's make it this way. You're too old to be wasting time in terms of financial, career, sariling bahay, sariling sasakyan, sariling motor, or sariling business if you're planning to have your own business. Kahit dun sa part na makaahon man lang sa utang or makabayad man lang sa mga pinagkakautangan. And also, may balik yung sacrifices ng magulang natin. You're also on the point na kahit anong gawin mo, pero bakit nandun ka pa rin? You're doing your best, or at least trying your best, para makaalis sa mahirap na sitwasyon or situation ng buhay mo. Pero bakit parang nandun ka pa rin? Hindi ka makausad. But at the same time, you're too young. We're too young to rush things. Na may panahon pa naman tayo para makamit yon. Pero hindi mo may iwasan na dumating sa point na when life hits you hard, hindi mo may iwasang ma-feel na you're always at your lowest. The advice that I'm getting from other people, sa mga kaibigan, tropa, na huwag kang tumigil. Sabi nga nila, the show must go on. Kasi pag tumigil ka, lalong walang mangyayari eh. So tuloy lang. Tsaka hindi tayo mag-isa, nandyan si God para sa atin. Lagi natin siyang kasama. May mga plans man tayong hindi niya binibigay. Maybe it is His way to redirect us. Para sa akin, as of now, for me, hindi applicable yung sinasabi ng iba na for me lang naman hindi applicable na gawin mo lang yung gusto mo or gawin mo lang yung passion mo until na hindi mo namamalaya na nandun ka na pala, unti-unti mo nakukuha yung pangarap mo sa buhay. Siguro at some point totoo siya, pero still I'm still figuring that out. Just keep on going. Yun, patuloy mo lang hanapin yung cheat code if meron man para sumakses. Still, sabi nga nila, the show must go on. The life must go on. Kasi kung titigil ka, lalong walang mangyayari. Always trust God. Pag feeling mo hindi mo siya kaya ngayon, don't stop. But don't forget, you can pause for a while. And after mo makabangon, and after mo makarecover, patuloy lang.